Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your audio isn't working on Alienware Aurora 16. So if you cannot hear your sound speaker, first of all, regulate your sound volume using dedicated buttons on your keyboard, or using the control center of your laptop. To access the control center, click these three icons in the bottom right corner, and let's adjust the sound volume. Also, click right here to select your output device and make sure your default speakers are selected. Try disabling or enabling spatial sound and see how this or rather listen to how it affects your volume, your sound volume. If your sound if you still can't hear no sound, then let's open the start menu and let's search for device manager in here. Expand audio inputs and outputs menu, then right click your speakers, click uninstall device, confirm, and then restart your computer and let it detect your speakers. After your laptop is restarted, check out your speakers once again. Here, listen to them. Check if they are working properly right now, and if they're not, then let's launch the Dell SupportAssist application. It should be pre-installed on your laptop, but if you don't have it, you can download it from the official Dell support website. And here you can update your software, so basically the drivers. Just launch the check for updates, and if your audio system requires any updates, then you'll be able to check for available updates and to download and install them in a couple of minutes. Then also, if you have any issue with your device's system hardware, you can check your hardware by selecting scan hardware and then run this scan. Once the scan ends, you will see the results for each element of your hardware, including your audio devices. And if nothing here fixes your issue, eventually you can go to the support page, scroll down to get support, click get started, and link with the Dell. Reach out to the Dell agent and tell them about your issue directly. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.